So most React developers use inputs every day but still get confused. Is it controlled or is it uncontrolled? So let me just clear that once and for all. So first of all, let's just check what is the definition of a controlled versus uncontrolled component. So a control component is an input element whose value is fully controlled by React state. So हमारा कोई भी इनपुट एलिमेंट जिसकी वैल्यू रिएक्ट कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है तो वो हमारा कंट्रोल कंपोनेंट होता है, सिंपल. So now let's just see the example of that. So in this example, as you can see, there is a name and a set name and a use state, and we also have an input element, and in the input element there is a value and a on change method. Every time we type in something in the input element, then it will eventually call the on change method, and then on change is directly bind with the use state and the setter function. So the value which we get in the input, it is like coming from the use state, and this is an example of control component, as when we type in something, every time the use state will get triggered and then we get the value of that. So now let's just check the example of a uncontrolled component. So as you can see in this example of the uncontrolled component, the input element does not like tracking every keystroke of the element. So we don't have a on change method, we don't have a use state method, and the input stores its value in the DOM itself, and React just access it with the help of the useRef. Because React does not control the value, the DOM does it. So the quick comparison would be a controlled use state, uncontrolled useRef, controlled React driven, uncontrolled DOM driven. So lastly, the interview tip would be we should always be using the control component in our interviews as they are easy to predict and easy to manage. So I hope you like the controlled versus uncontrolled comparison, and if you like, then do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.